My dear brothers and sisters, I'd like to impart a heartfelt piece of wisdom rooted in our beautiful faith. It's about the profound power of sincere supplication, or dua, to Allah when life's burdens press upon your shoulders, or your heart is heavy with dreams and worries. Remember that Allah, the Most Merciful, is attentively listening to the whispers of your soul. As the Quran beautifully reminds us in Surah Ghafir 40:60, and your Lord says, "Call upon me, I will respond to you." Indeed, those who disdain my worship will enter hell rendered contemptible. In those precious moments of solitude, release your hopes, fears, and deepest desires. Witness how Allah, the all-hearing and all-knowing, envelops you with His boundless love. Your words to Him bear immense weight, granting you strength beyond measure, illuminating the path forward, and providing a tranquility that only comes from the one who knows you best. So, my dear brothers and sisters, maintain unwavering faith, trust in His divine plan, and remember that your prayers are never in vain. They're a sacred conversation with the divine, a lifeline to a love that never wavers.